Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the Caddx Polar Nano digital FPV camera. In this video I'm going to quickly go over its features and specs and show you some flight footage using the Cinerise 20 HD by Flywoo, which I have recently reviewed. Now, by the way, at the moment of shooting this video, this camera is only available from Flywoo, either bundled with a naked Vista unit or as a part of the Cinerise 20 HD, but I assume that just like the Nebula Nano V2, the Polar Nano is going to be available either as a standalone camera, which is of course compatible with both Vista and Air Unit digital transmission systems, or as a part of a Vista kit. In terms of specs, the Polar Nano is a 720p 60 frames per second camera, which means that due to the chip shortage, you won't be able to adjust the camera settings using the DJI goggles, and the latency is fixed to 32 milliseconds. In addition, the Polar Nano weighs 2.7 grams, so it's 2 grams lighter than the Nebula Nano V2. Its outer dimensions are 14 by 13.8 by 15.2 millimeters, and in comparison, the outer dimensions of the Nebula Nano V2 are 14 by 14 by 20.6 millimeters. So the Polar Nano features a smaller form factor thanks to its smaller lens and the fact that unlike the Nebula Nano V2, it's not using a plastic back cover, so it is only using a sticker, which of course makes it more exposed, but also reduces some weight. In terms of picture quality, as far as I can tell, the Polar Nano is superior than the Nebula Nano V2. I still haven't compared both cameras side by side, and I plan to do it on an upcoming video. In case you missed it, I've already compared the Polar Nano side by side with the micro-sized Polar, and according to the comparison video, the image of the Polar Nano is sharper than the micro-sized Polar, and maybe it is actually a little bit too sharp, and despite its smaller size, the video quality was pretty good. So overall, while the Caddx Polar Nano is not a revolutionary product, and it is probably not as exciting as a Nebula Pro Nano camera, which hopefully is going to come out eventually, it is still an upgrade over the Nebula Nano V2, and again, I need to confirm it, so stay tuned for the upcoming side-by-side comparison video, and in my opinion, it can be a great option for a light and small digital build. Now I'm going to wrap up this video with some flight footage, so I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.